So again, same questions.
Hmm.
Why should I do a IABA certification? Why should I invest in those certifications? These are like 150 $200 certification, then $55 of membership fee. So why should I be investing money in these certifications? What should I be gaining from those?
I think you have mentioned 13% of salary difference. So I think this is one of the point,
Correct.
which is, I
Yeah.
think, for me, it's least important. But if you learn these skills, you will grow and you will feel confident. You know, whenever if I have skill, I appear in the interview, I'll be more confident. Otherwise, people will be just throwing questions on me. I will be, answering here and there. So I think if you have certification, you have credentials, and then if you gain experience on top of it, then you are the king. I think you can, lead the interview. So it's the same case. So, and further on clarity in your career vision, I think IIB is just not, providing the certification that do this particular certification and then leave it. It's provide you career path like from foundation to expert level, as Shahzeb explained earlier. So it will give clarity to your vision, mission, and objective in terms of your career. And then, as I said earlier, improve your branding time to time. It's not age. Age is just a number. You can start early on, like at the time of your university, until you live, inshallah, and then you can add your certifications. And once you improve yourself, then you can only improve your organization. Otherwise, there is no way to improve the organization. Yeah, yeah. So organization, only human resource can help the organization. It's not about tool or hardware or software. They need people, right people for the right job, and organization will excel. And then self representation on social media is important. So nowadays, it's not the trend to just sit and wait for the job. So you need to develop your credentials, and then you need to market yourself. You need to interact. That's why the community, IIB has developed a community for you. So you can go there, you meet with different people, you can raise your question, you can give presentation. So so this is the way. I think it's the world has changed. It's not like earlier. So it's like the world is now different. It's like on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. It's not like before that you will sit and you will get the job. So things are slightly changed, so we need to change as well.
Correct, 100% correct. And I'm with you, Adam. And we need to change with this word, and we need to adopt the changes and the standards and practices of business analysis in which are coming up. And through IIBA Pakistan chapter as well, we can practice those. Yeah, absolutely
Mhm.
right. So there are some uh, okay, sorry. So there are some stats from the IABA salary survey. So if you see what is the benefits of certification, and these are the results from the actual BAs who have done their certifications, and they are having these benefits. So the one of the most benefit is higher confidence at work. So if you have done your certification, and if you have not done your certifications, so after doing your certification, you have the confidence to discuss with the organizations as well, and in the during the workshops as well, and the pupil acknowledges your achievement there. If they know, they identify that you are a CBAP and you have a certification for IIBA, they will consider you, they will give you the right respect that you have achieved. So that brings in the confidence within the BA as well. Then greater fulfillment at work, you feel accomplished, like you have achieved something. Then there is a salary increase option as well. So these are all the stats that are coming from actual BAs around the world, so what they have feel, right? Then there are some other
I
benefits
think I
as well.
just
So
want to add on, Shazib, sorry to cut you.
yeah, yeah,
So yeah, most of the participants in this call must be thinking that this is just a theoretical knowledge and these are just credentials. So I just give, I won't take the name, but I was just giving the interview and I cleared that interview. So they were asking that since you have a lot of agile certification, do you have experience? Have you implemented agile? So I told them clearly that no, I have knowledge, I have the right knowledge for the agile, but I haven't worked out. And so they accepted. They said, yeah, it's good. I think no worries. So you will learn here if we follow in the project. So you have the knowledge, you have right knowledge, so we can implement it. So implementation is not an issue, but if you have knowledge gap, that's a big issue.
correct, Adam, 100% correct. Yep. So the next set of stats shows us like when and how these benefits are coming to that individual who is doing the certification. So 27% of the like attendees or the contributors say that they have received the benefits immediately. This is a huge number. Like as soon as have they done their IABA certification, 27% of them have received those benefits immediately. 31% said they received this from 1 to 6 months. Only 17% says 6 to 12 months, and 24% after 1 year. So it shows you that there are like more than 60%, almost 60% are the ones who are getting benefits from with like immediately or within the first 6 months. So there is a potential there, and these are the stats from the actual business analysis. Okay. Again, based on your certification type, the survey also tell us like what kind of benefits that we are getting, what kind of increments within the salary or earning that you are getting. So for example, if you are doing ECBA, you will earn 5% more than the other non-ECBA. Then same for CCBA, it will be 8%. CBAP brings you 26% increment in your earnings. And the other certifications like CCA brings you 31%. And AACA brings you 25%. So these are the numbers from actual live BAs who are working in the industry, and they are showing these trends. So this means the same can be applicable in Pakistan if we start doing the certification, if we start practicing those BA practices, if we are really serious about making our careers in BA. So these are the certifications, and this is the organization that we need to bind ourselves to.